couple days later, I had some stuff. We've been pretty busy beginning this week. Couple things. So I fried my small pancake air compressor, sitting right over there. I fried it, trying to use air tools. I mean, I was going to try to get through it, but it did not work out, so it got fried, and I upgraded. Nothing like crazy, but I did some research and stuff, and I actually found what I think is the best deal on an air compressor for what I need. I really don't have the room for a stand-up for like a 60-gallon, so I found a 30-gallon Husky. This thing works pretty dang good. So far, it's been great. I've been able to use the air tools. It runs and it keeps up with them. I mean, it's been pretty good. Anyway, all right, let's get a little update on where we are. It's taken me, seems like forever, but I finally got the piece of the quarter panel I've been trying to get. But it also seems forever because I hadn't been able to work on it very much, and then I killed my compressor yesterday, so I ran out of time. All right, so here's where we are right now. We have the whole section pulled off. You can see down here it's been spot welded. Right here, I made a little mistake, but I can probably weld that up. I'm not too worried about that. This piece right here, this is, you can take this piece out, which I think I'm gonna try to use it off that one. This piece is separate from the floor pan. Floor pan's got a little damage here, but I think we can weld that up. I was able to straighten most of this out, so that's been salvaged. If I wasn't, I have the piece right here on that one. I've got to clean up. Now I've got to clean all this up right here, and like I said, this is not the final cut. This is where I wanted. I needed to get in here, and I also needed to kind of see how this came off because I was having some trouble with the white one. Anyway, so I'm thinking my final cut's going to be about where that tape is. I'm going to redo my tape line, but I'm thinking that's where my final cut is going to be. And what I'll probably do is get the quarter panel off this piece. I'm going to cut it further up, obviously, and then we can mark it where we want the final cut to be and where we're gonna place it. Anyway, I was able to pull the floor pan this way. It looks to be in the right spot. We'll be able to tell once we get this mocked up. Hadn't been a whole lot of work on the camera just because it's hard to really set it up. Anyway, these tools right here, the belt sander or air file or what do you want to call it? It's not really an air file, but the mini belt sander, this right angle, and this cutoff wheel, man, those have been great. And they're Harbor Freight tools, and they work excellent. So far, keep your tools oiled. As long as you keep them oiled and keep them greased, you should be good. I'm not saying they're going to last forever, but if you take care of them, I think they'll last you. If you're using them for like home projects like this, I think they'll last you quite a while. Anyway, right in here, you can see this is the inner fender well, and the inner piece, which actually looks like it's in really good shape. I think most of the damage happened back here and got pushed in this way. Some of this probably got pulled out when we were pulling on the car. But here's that spot I was talking about. See, I kind of chopped it. I think I'm missing some piece right here. It got stuck on the old quarter panel. We'll have to, that's my chair rolling around, by the way. We'll have to address that. Anyway, everything up here looks good. I'll clean this up and repaint it. That way it's not open to the elements. Actually, it looks like it has the factory primer on it. But anyway, we'll make sure that's taken care of. But if we do cut it, I'm thinking we cut it up here and we just weld. This thing looks like it's pretty straight. I won't know for sure until I mock everything up. I won't know for sure if that's going to work. We're going to stop at getting this piece of the quarter panel off. I'm going to start on taking the quarter panel off the white one and then putting it on this car. Here's where we are right now. We've got the quarter panel off the white piece. All right. And we've got it down here, and I'm cleaning up all the panel bond and stuff that was around it. See all this right here? It's been cleaned off of this section right here. My cleaning's not all the way done. but I've got what I could. So what we're going to do now, Tara's come out here. She's going to help me. We're going to fit this thing on the car and kind of see where we are and what we're going to have to adjust and move and stuff like that. So remove this plastic out of the way. I'm going to try to set this camera up and see if you can watch us try to do this. It's going to be fun. Let's get to fitting this thing up. So as you can see here, I have the quarter panel and the taillight pocket together in one piece, trying to put it in. And I struggled a lot with this. I learned my lesson on that. So later on, I actually removed the two pieces from each other and installed them separately, and it worked out a whole lot better. You won't see that in this video, or I don't even know if you'll see that in some of the video that I took, but I did separate the two from on the car separately, and it worked out a whole lot better. I want to thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate everything. I mean, this is going kind of slower than I wanted it to, but when you have things that that cause backups and things are going to happen. It's going to happen. So anyway, got the new compressor. We should be good there. Got all the air tools I need. I don't think I need anything else right now. I probably want to get an impact and a air ratchet, but I don't need those right this second. With what I'm doing. Anyway, all right, well, thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and follow along with us as we finish this Busted Bullitt. And please hit that notification bell so you can be notified when all the new videos come out. Also, follow us on Instagram. The link to our Instagram is right here. And we appreciate it. Have a good day.